What's up, marketers and problem solvers? We're out checking in. Wanted to bring you guys another video today. We're going to talk about guerrilla marketing and strategies for 2018 that's going to really get you ahead of the competition, get the sales, the leads, and the traffic you need to really get that income that you want in those sales. So let's talk about guerrilla marketing, guys. Guerrilla marketing is a term you don't hear about, at least a lot in the digital world, because it's hard to kind of see what's different about marketing nowadays, but it really comes down to different ways of getting people attention. Not traditional ways, not even something that you've seen before. It's probably new and different, and when you see it, like, man, that's a unique idea. It's strange sometimes, but at the end of the day, the whole reason behind it is to do something different that hasn't been tried before, so that you can get people attention, and that's the name of the game. So what are some of these strategies that you guys can use? Obviously, there's a lot of these strategies. I'm gonna cover a few in this video, but if you want more guerrilla marketing strategies, links are in the description box, guys. Go check out some of the goodies, and also check out my 7-step guide, and also get access to the community while supplies last. So links are in the description. So guerrilla marketing strategies. Guerrilla marketing strategies, just do something different, guys. What I would recommend you guys to do is, everybody's trying to scale, right? Everybody's trying to use social media, PPC, email marketing, all the traditional wide scale, wide mass communication. And guys, it's so much opportunity if you niche down, you find that focus audience, and you just reach out to them directly. Not to say you're gonna be able to get a lot of people, but you're gonna get enough to get those quality leads. Anybody deal with any CPC or marketing right now in the marketing niche? The CPC is very expensive. So if you're doing paid ads, you're gonna spend a lot of money to get in front of some people in the marketing niche, in the make money online niche. You can reach out to somebody directly and get so many leads based on just spending about 15 minutes of reaching out directly. And you're gonna save more money by doing that than actually using PPC, pay-per-click. I know you guys saying that's not scalable, right? But that's the thing. This is different. This is 2018. Everybody's using the traditional or the normal the normal social media channels, or the online marketing distribution channels. You want to do something different, guys. And by doing this, you first of all build a relationship. They feel special. You're getting in front of them, and you can build that rapport. And at the end of the day, guys, once you get those touches, you're going to get that experience. First of all, you're going to work with somebody directly, so you get feedback real time, and it's going to help you out. Core is one of the places to start. Reddit's another one. A lot of other forums are optional, so you got that too. So at the end of the day, guys, I want to make sure that you do something different to get people's attention. This may not be your core strategy. You may still use the PPCs, the email marketing, the social medias, all the traditional stuff, just like you've been doing. When you want to use that guerrilla marketing strategy, you want to try something different, something that you wouldn't normally try, because you think that, hey, it may not work. But until you try it, that's when you know it's not going to work. So share your experience, guys. What have you been doing different marketing wise that's been working for you? Share it in the description box, guys. I want to cover a lot of things with you guys. I want to make the community more engaging. We have a lot more back and forth dialogue. I know a lot of this content is a lot technical for you guys, so I'm trying to find that good balance by entertaining you guys, giving you guys some good content, but having a lot of takeaways too. So working on that, trying to get the quality up of the camera, still working on that, but for the most part, I think we're doing pretty good. And we'll continue to move forward with that. Like and subscribe to the content. Let me know what you guys are doing for your guerrilla marketing campaigns. Are you doing social media? Are you doing PPC? Do you think it's a waste of time? Let me know in the description box, and let's start a conversation. So like, subscribe to the content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.